guys, it's Mikal here from Mikal Night of the Vlog, and today I'm going to be doing a really interesting braided hairstyle. It kind of looks like a mohawk, so if you want to know how I get that done, then keep watching. So for this hairstyle, I'm going to be using 4 products. Firstly, I washed my hair with the Smooth Hydration Argan Oil Sheer Butter Shampoo and the Ever Straightening Brazilian Keratin Therapy Conditioner. And then before I get started, I'm going to be using the Batiste XXL Large Volume Dry Shampoo Hairspray. Then to set my hairstyle, I'm going to be using the Luxurious Volume Hairspray by Freida. So firstly, I'm using the dry shampoo just to give a little volume to the top of my head, and then I'm going to section off a small piece of hair on the top of my head and then tie that off with an elastic band. And then I'm going to section off another section of hair behind that ponytail and tie that with an elastic band also. So now you're going to take the front section, divide it into 2 sections, take the back section and then clip it into place in the front, and then you're going to take hair from either side and then add it to that 2 sections and then tie it up with an elastic band. And then again, you're going to take the top section, divide it into 2 sections, and then flip the back section to the front, clipping it into place, and then gathering hair and then putting it to those 2 sections and then tying that into place with an elastic band. Now carrying on this process all the way to the back, you're going to divide the front section into 2 parts, flip the back section over and then gather some hair, adding it to those 2 sections, tying it off with an elastic band, and then repeating those steps over and over again until you get to the bottom of your hair. Once you've tied up all your sections, grab the rest of the hair and then put it into a little messy bun. I like this because it creates a really cool effect. And then just start loosening your braids a little bit so that it gives a little bit volume at the top. Then you're going to take a few bobby pins and then pin the sides of the messy bun to your head, and then finishing it off with some hairspray. And there you go. I had so much fun creating this look with All Things Hair SA, so if you do decide to recreate it, please don't forget to hashtag All Things Hair SA, and I will be sure to check them out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any comments or any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comment section down below. And if you're not subscribed to the All Things Hair SA channel, then don't forget to click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!